Complete the following reactions. These type of questions are frequently asked in CBSE board exam. Now, for example, let us take equation number 1. MnO4 negative Fe2 plus H plus to give something. We have to complete this equation. To complete this equation, first we have MnO4 negative and medium is acidic. In acidic medium, MnO4 negative is converted into Mn2 plus. Now we balance this equation first in medium acidic. In acidic medium, so we add H2O. First we balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. So other than hydrogen and oxygen there is manganese. So we balance manganese on both sides. There is one manganese, other side is also one. So means manganese are balanced. See, Mn2 plus, it is a charge. The number of manganese on this side is 1. So number of manganese are balanced. Now come to the oxygen. On this side there are 4 oxygen. On other side 0. So we add 4 H2O to the side deficient of oxygen. And double number of H plus ions to the opposite side. Now we balance the charge. This side there are 7 positive, 8 positive minus 1. Total 7 positive. On other side 2 positive. 7 positive, 2 positive. To balance the charge, we have to add electron.
How it is 7 positive this side?
Because 8 positive, 8H 1 plus. 1H is 1 plus. So total 8H means 8 plus. And MnO4 there is 1 negative. So 7 plus minus 1. So 7 positive. Here 2 plus neutral. So total charge on this side is 2 plus. This side is 7 plus. If we add 5 electrons, then charge is balanced. Because 5 negative, 7 positive. Or we can say 8 positive and 6 negative. 2 positive. Balance. Then that means MnO4 negative gain 5 electrons. So MnO4 negative is an oxidizing agent. So it oxidizes Fe2 plus, and Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus. So in this way, Fe2 plus is changed into Fe3 plus. So to balance the charge, because atoms are balanced, and other than these two Fe, there is no other atom. So atoms are balanced. Now we balance the charge. This side there are
2 plus.
On other side
3 plus.
So how many electrons are added?
1.
On which side?
To the 3
Right
plus side.
Very good, right side. We add 1 electron, but to write balanced chemical equation, we have to multiply it by
5.
very good, because number of electron gained should be equal to number of electron lost. So in this way, balanced chemical equation is MnO4 negative plus 5 Fe2 plus 8H plus to give Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus for 4H2. So this is balanced chemical equation, right? And to further check it, to verify, we see charge on left side should be equal to charge on right side. So see charge minus 1.
We have to take every time Fe.
No. If Fe is given,
Okay, there.
in first equation Fe2 plus is given, so we balance it like this, right? Because Fe2 plus is oxidized, right? Now, how many charge? 8 plus, 10 plus, 18 minus 1, 17 plus. On other side, 2 plus, 5 3 is 15 plus, 15 plus, 2 plus. 17 plus.
It is
On
balanced.
both side plus 17,
Plus.
17 plus.
Balanced.
Right? Now come to next equation. See, in next equation, again MnO4 negative in acidic medium. First equation remains same.
Same.
Now we have oxalate ion C2O4
2 minus.
2 minus. So C2O4 2 minus is converted into CO2. These first two equations are used in the experiment as well, volumetric analysis. You know, more salt has Fe2 plus. Double salt is that ferrous ammonium sulfate. Only Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus. And this is KMnO4 oxalic acid titration. MnO4 negative
Oxalate plus
oxalate. We heat somewhat to oxalate ion converted into CO2. Now balance it. First we balance
electron.
Electron.
atoms
Oxygen and
other than oxygen and hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
In the side there are two carbons.
Two carbon.
On other side
One carbon.
one. So we add 2
Two.
multiplied by 2. Carbons are balanced, and in that way oxygen are automatically balanced. Now what is the charge on left side?
Minus 2.
2 minus.
On other side?
0.
0.
So electrons are added. How many electrons we add?
2.
Good. Now to balance the electrons, electron gain should be equal to
Electron loss.
loss. So we multiply this equation by
2.
2. Another equation
5.
5. These numbers are multiplied just to balance the electrons. Yes, now MnO4 negative,
Multiplied by 2.
5 C2O4 2 negative. Oh, sorry. Yes, it is multiplied by
2.
2. Good.
2
2 into MnO4 negative. 5 this. H plus ion 16.
16.
Then
Right.
2
2 Mn2
Mn2 plus.
plus 8 H2.
10 CO2 plus
8 H2.
8H2. Okay? Now, what is the charge on this side? To verify, 16 positive and negative is
12.
10
10.
minus or 2 negative. So 12 negative, 16 positive. 4 positive,
4 positive.
this side 4 positive. It is balanced. So this is for second equation. Okay. Now come to the next. Yes, again MnO4 negative. Sorry, MnO4 negative in acidic medium. Again, this equation remains same. And now we have NO2 negative. So NO2 negative is then oxidized. So when NO2 negative is oxidized, it gives NO3 negative. That you have to remember. That Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus. C2O4 2 negative is oxidized to CO2. NO2 negative is oxidized to NO3 negative.
So all will be oxidized on.
Yes, because KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. It has plus 7 oxidation state. It cannot lose electron further. It can only gain. So other should lose because it is a redox reaction. If one gains electron, other should lose electron. Right? Now atoms are balanced. Nitrogen atoms on both sides they are balanced. 2 oxygens. 3. Now we add H2 to balance the oxygen.
Oxygen.
On which side we add?
Left side.
Very. How many? 1. Because one oxygen is deficient. So add H2 and double H plus ion
On right side.
on right. Now to balance the charge, this side
One negative.
One negative,
Zero.
One negative.
two positive, and
One
minus
positive.
one.
Then it is one.
One negative.
One positive, one right side.
Ah.
2 plus minus 1.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Plus minus, do you know? Okay, very good. Addition, subtraction, you should know. Okay. So 2 plus and minus 1. So it is 1 plus,
Yes, sir.
and this side minus 1.
Minus one.
Now to balance the charge, how many electrons we have to add?
One.
One electron. If we add one electron, then tell
Charge
me,
is balanced.
charge is balanced.
No.
This side there is minus 1. On other side 2 plus 2 negative.
Sir, it's
Acha.
0.
Hmm.
So we should add 2 electrons.
two electrons.
Right?
Yes.
Please go through your first or second textbook so that you can add, or you can learn how to add and subtract, right? Now we balance the charge, balance the electrons. Electron gain should be equal to electron loss. So it is multiplied by 2.
Two.
And this equation is multiplied by
Five.
5. Now it is 2 MnO4 negative, 5 NO2 negative. Okay, now come to
16.
water. On this side there are 5 H2O,
Hmm.
on other side 8.
Eight.
That means water is on right side,
Hmm.
because water 8 and 5,
Five.
3 H2O should be on this side.
Hmm.
Now come to H plus. 16 H plus,
Hmm.
10 H
Ten
plus.
plus. Six.
So
H
this
plus.
side has excess of H plus.
Hmm.
How many?
Six.
Very good. This time subtraction. 16 plus and 10 plus.
10 plus.
So 6 H plus. Okay.
Oh.
So what about this side? 2 Mn2 plus. Then
Five and three minus.
5 NO3 negative. And now H2O. This side 5 H2O.
Hmm.
Left side has 5 H2O. On right side
Eight.
8 H.
Three H. Three H.
Yes, very good. And to check or to verify, again 6H plus, 5 negative, 2 negative, means 7 negative, 6 positive.
One negative.
One
negative.
Good. Acha. And this side,
Four positive.
4 positive, 5
Five
negative,
negative.
minus
One
1.
negative.
That means it's verified. Okay? Now, next part. This is third equation.
Yes. Yes.
Now fourth. Again MnO4 negative H plus. Equation remains same. I negative in acidic medium. I negative is oxidized to I2. I negative is oxidized to I2. And how many iodine are there?
Two.
So we should balance iodine. Then charge this side.
Two negative.
We add 2 electrons.
electrons.
It is multiplied by
Two.
2. And this equation,
Five.
Five.
right? So 2 MnO4 negative plus 10 I negative, H plus ion, 16 H plus.
16 H
Plus.
On other side 2 Mn2 plus
Plus 8.
5 I2 plus
8 H2.
8 H2. So again verify it. 16 positive, 12 negative, 4 positive.
4 positive.
On other side,
4
4
positive.
positive. That means it is verified. Okay. Then come to next one. H2S, MnO4 negative. This is balanced. H2S is oxidized to sulfur. H2S is oxidized to sulfur. That you should know. Now balance it. This time, see, we have hydrogens.
Hydrogen.
Very good. 2H plus on right side.
Right side.
We add to balance hydrogen. We add H plus ion because medium is acidic. In acidic medium, we add first H2O to the side deficient of oxygen, double H plus ion to the opposite side. Or if hydrogens are deficient, on that side we add H plus.
H plus.
Now this side is neutral. On other side
2H plus.
2H plus. So we add
2 electrons.
2 electrons to balance it. Now again we multiply 5 and
multiply by 2.
5 and 2. So write 2 MnO4 negative plus 5 H2S plus H plus ion. On this side 16H plus
16H plus. 10H plus.
10H plus
6H plus.
6H plus. Then 2 Mn2 plus
8H2.
5 sulfur and
8H2.
8H2. Again verify. On this side 4 positive,
Positive.
Here
6 minus
6 positive and 2 negative.
2.
4 positive. That means both are balanced.
Balanced.
Now last one.
SO3 minus.
Can anyone of you can do it?
Yes, sir. I would like to do it.
Okay, come.
So here, I suppose SO3 negative gives SO4
It is actually 2 negative, sorry. SO
Three,
3 2
two
negative. Okay. SO3 2 negative.
SO4
Yes, SO4 2
2
negative.
negative.
Balance it. Ask them.
Okay. So first of all we do.
Balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen.
Okay. So for here we can already see that sulfur are already balanced. So then we have to balance only oxygen. For that we do.
Add H2O to the oxygen deficient side.
Yes. Okay. So we will add here H2O.
Plus H2.
We have to only add 1 because that will balance. So it's H2O.
Oh.
Now we can see 3 and plus 1 4 and 4. Oxygen are balanced. Then we check the charge. Charge is 2 negative and here also 2 negative. The charge is also balanced. So
But first,
But
then we
we-
have to balance hydrogen.
Add
Yes.
H2O, then we add
H
double
plus.
double H
double the H plus sign
to
on
the
the
opposite side.
opposite side. We get 4H plus here.
Better 2H plus.
Yeah.
It's 1 H2.
Okay, sorry.
1 H2O, then 2
2H plus.
2H plus.
Yes.
Okay, now balance the electrons.
Here 2 negative
Mm.
and here neutral.
Mm.
So we see 2 electrons on this side.
Multiplying.
Multiply
To
the second equation
multiply
by
by
5.
Balance now. Multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 2. So we get 2 MnO4
Negative.
negative. Then we get 5
SO3.
SO3 2 minus, and then we have
16H plus
16H
and
plus
10H
and
plus.
10H plus on this side. So we have net 6H plus.
Good.
Then on this side we have 2 Mn2 plus, then 5 SO4 2 negative, 2 negative, and then we have
H2O.
8
H2.
minus 5 H2.
yeah, 8 H2 here and then 5 H2 here. So we have net.
It is 3.
3 H2O. Now we
Verify.
verify.
Just look at the video, otherwise.
Sorry. To verify, we see here there are 2 negative and then 5 to 10 plus 2, 12 negative and 6 positive.
6 negative.
So net charge is 6 negative here,
Hmm.
and then here is we have
4 positive.
4 positive
10
and-
negative.
10 negative. Net charge is also 6 negative. So the both sides are balanced with charge also.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.